Do you want to screen share from your mobile phone to your laptop by using USB cable? If yes, then watch this video till the end. To do this process, first of all you need to connect your phone to your PC using USB cable, which I have already done. After that, open google.com and type this scrcpy. So type this thing scrcpy. After that, open this first link, github.com link. Scroll down a bit. Whether you have Windows or Linux or you have any other iPod, you need to go for it. Everything is available. You can see for Mac is given, Windows is given. So I have Windows, so I am downloading this one. So on my PC I am downloading this thing. So open the path where it is downloaded. So copy the file. Now you can go to the C drive. This is a C drive wherein I can create a new folder. Open the folder, paste the file. After that, right click on this, click extract here. After that, you can delete this zip file. You can simply copy this link. Now you just need to open command prompt, right click on this and click on run as administrator. After that, you need to type in here in command prompt cd space C drive colon the folder name scrcpy and press on enter. Now you are in this folder, right? Now you need to simply type scrcpy and press on enter, and that's it. Now you can see my mobile phone is showing in the screen. You can see my mobile phone is my mobile phone. Let me show you. Let me unlock it. So now my mobile phone is open. Now I can open anything in my mobile phone. I can open any application. Whatever I'll do, it will show up on my PC. So it is the best trick. You can try it out, and I hope now friends you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.